Hi, you. Hi, Kabul. Hi, Mattie. Good girl, Mad. Good girl, Mattie. First thing Mattie did was find a ball. What a surprise. That's her invitation to me to play. And here comes Kabul. They've had some nice time together already. This is their second play date. Misha May training and play date. And as you can see, Mattie seems a little more confident about picking up that ball when Kabul is around. I think these play dates with just the two of them are, building some trust between them. And she realizes that he's just a playful youngster, and he realizes that she's a nice older dog. So that's their beginning today, with just drinking water together, and Kabul not taking her ball because he knows how important it is. Let's get her pretty face on there. And now I'm going to turn this off and play with her.